Subscribe to Swagger's channel and click on the bell icon to see the latest technology videos.
Hi there, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be unboxing MacBook Air 2020. So let's get started. I really like packaging of Apple's product. Inside the box, you will see the main box which has the MacBook Air 2020. We have purchased gold color MacBook Air. At the top, you can see MacBook Air image, branding and logos in gold color. The 2020 MacBook Air comes with the new Scissor Switch keyboard Apple introduced in the 16-inch MacBook Pro, and the processors have been upgraded to Intel's new 10th generation. Also, Apple lowered the price by $100. The base MacBook Air starts at $999 with 1.1 GHz dual-core i3 processor, 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. But almost everyone should spend at least $100 more on the upgrade to the 1.1 GHz quad-core i5 processor. Inside the box, we have MacBook Air in gold color. It looks stunning. It comes with USB-C charger cable which is 2 meter long. Then we have some paperwork. It also has logo, sticker, and then we have the USB power adapter which is 30 watt. Let's peel off the plastic from MacBook. It's very lightweight. On right hand side it has headphone jack, and on left hand side two Thunderbolt 3 ports. So let's start the MacBook and do the initial setup. Now the setup is completed. It's very straightforward. The biggest change in MacBook Air 2020 is keyboard. We have dedicated escape key, fingerprint scanner, and the inverted arrow keys. The key travel is good on this MacBook. Now let's check the audio quality.
Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. Now back to see.
Overall, the performance of this MacBook Air is very good. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video.